gonna make a little quick one here. This is the T850 transmission. This is the shift selector. I just was gonna show you how to get this off. All these bolts here, I used this power tool. This is a 13 mil. I removed all of the bolts that you can see here down through the top, okay? Now, there's one down here and you're gonna say, well, how do I get to that? Okay, well, I gotta drive this pin out right here. Yeah, no, don't do that. You do not want to drill this out because that is a double roll pin, okay? That's pressed in there, and these are pretty much on here, okay? You do not want any play in this rod not spinning that, okay? Because that's what does your actual shifting in gear, neutral, gear, and then this is your side to side, okay? So if you're pushing, it's gonna pull back on this and then you're gonna go forward, that's first gear, okay? So then if you're still pulling on it, go straight back, that's second. All right, so when you do this, you're gonna go out of third, the shifter's gonna center, okay? Third, fourth. All right, and if you pull over, which is pushing this way, it'll do this. So fifth, reverse, okay? Now, I have an open-ended wrench to remove this. I had somebody ask me how to do this the other day, and normally I have one removing the shift selector plate in the car, which that can be done. You just have to lower the transmission side and you undo the mount, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spin this up until it actually starts hitting this selector arm. Yes, I know it sucks. Open-ended wrench. This is what it's like. This is what people had to do before we had power tools. Alright, so I do that, and then you can get in here like this, and what I do is I'll just pop that. See how it popped up? You can get here. You don't want to try to get in here because you can mar the surface. Put a nick in it. You can get behind here. There's like there's a lip here. You can let me see here. Let's go. Come on. It's kind of tough to get into it. Like this. Alright. See? Now I have this loose. Get the sealer. I've had this out. So this was actually installed here about a year ago. So what I'm going to do, since I don't have my other hand, I'm just going to use this. You pull up on this, and then you just keep working this one out. Alright? And that is how, sometimes you might be able to get on here, look, I can spin this a little bit with my hand, but it's probably just quicker for me to use this wrench. Lift up on this a little bit more. Ever tried doing this one-handed? All right. That's how you do it. It's off. Easy peasy, right? So I'm gonna wipe up this sealant here. Actually, all I'm doing is I am pulling this selector plate off because I have AGP extenders installed in here, which is what I wanted to show. And I figured I would make a real quick video removing that. Try not to drop any of this down in here. This is what the sealant should look like if it was done recently. If it was done with silicone, be a little wary because it will get down in there and will clog stuff inside of the transmission. All right, this stuff just gets gooey. All right, so I mean, install is the reverse of removal. You grab that thing, put your sealant on, tighten your one bolt down, line it up with your clips, right in it goes. All right, that's it. That's how you remove it.